Breaking news, my lovely, wonderful people, is happening. President Bola Tinubu's son, Snubbed. Lagos group endorse someone else for governor. I know you'll be wondering who that person is. Seyi Tinubu is shocked because with all his father is doing, they just gave him the red card and they did it unapologetically. For some time now, there's been some strategies going on, mapping and planning to ensure that Seyi Tinubu gets, a move or, gets some position in terms of becoming Lagos State governor. So these plans and these moves have been in place. However, the people are not buying it. They are not buying it, saying, what's that? We don't want Seyi Tinubu as our governor. In fact, they are making other demands, asking for some other persons. So Seyi Tinubu, some say, has been projected or, there's been some move for him to become Lagos State governor. But as it stands, the people have rejected him. They are picking somebody completely, completely different. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. President Bola Tinubu's son, Snubbed, as Lagos group endorses Alase for governor, says there is no need for this. The legacy of consigned Lagosians, LCL, and the Good Governance Initiative have made a significant decision regarding 2027 Lagos governorship election. Instead of endorsing Seyi Tinubu, the son of the president, they have chosen to support Dr. Tunji Alase, the Minister of State for Education. According to the group, Alase has the capacity to continue President Bola Tinubu's visionary legacy in the state, as reported by the Vanguard News, saying, Tinubu may be his father, but the son is not from our state and should not be our governor, and we don't want any of that. The Legacy for Consigned Leadership Group, in a statement titled Alase Save Lagos Now, highlighted Alase's impressive background as a Chicago-based medical doctor and his current role as Minister of Education. They believed that Alase possesses the necessary knowledge and skill to attract contemporary development and would complement President Tinubu's ongoing efforts to make Nigeria better. The LCL also commended President Tinubu for his ongoing economic reforms, encourage Nigerians to remain patient as the benefit of those initiatives will soon be reaped. Similarly, the General Secretary of the Good Governance Initiative, Mr. Wale Olusoya, endorses Alase as the candidate, stated that their position aligns with the LCL and he wants things to be done properly. The decision of this group comes amidst conversation about Seyi Tinubu's potential governorship bid in Lagos State, which have elicited mixed reactions from stakeholders. However, the Associate of Arewa Youth, Yoruba Youth, AAYY, has argued that Seyi Tinubu is constitutionally qualified to aspire for any elected position like any other Nigerian citizen. So this is what is going on. A group has come up together saying Seyi Tinubu is not our cup of tea. Okay, his father may be a good president, but Seyi Tinubu is not who we envisioned or want to see as the leader of this country. And they've come up cleverly to say, you know what, it is not necessary, for them to go ahead and be asking for, asking for Seyi Tinubu to become the president, saying there is no need for that. So as you and I can see, Seyi Tinubu has been snubbed. Some other persons have been picked instead. So this is part of what has brought us to this very, very position. So we are just waiting patiently to see, Tinubu and his son's response. Although Tinubu himself was greatly, appreciated and says he's doing a great job. However, that's not all, that it entails. It's much more than that. Is the son going to have an opportunity to be a governor, all their plans and antiques and tricks that have been put in place, is it going to work? Are Lagosians buying it? In fact, some has replied already saying he's not. He's not from the state. He should go to Osun State and contest that Lagos State is not his father's abode, where they can do father and son like a kingship, position. That they should look for some other things to do. So these are some of the things that are going on, and every single person is watching patiently to see how all of this plays out. Well, it is what it is. Is Seyi Tinubu, is Seyi Tinubu going to have a field day with all of this, or is there something else that is going to happen? So it's really, really glaring, and it's clear for everyone to see that indeed we cannot continue with the same thing over and over again, then expect a different result. Tinubu and Sons wants to rule from Lagos to Nigeria, and the people are resisting them seriously. Don't forget that the wife was a senator for how many years? Yeah, it's time for the son to come and continue from where his father stopped. When are we going to get away from plagiarism? Where is going from you're taking your work, from what you're copying or duplicating someone else's. We just need to become original as a people and make decisions where people can actually, pick the sort of leadership that they want and move on with that, and, make returnable progress. But as it stands at the moment, there seem to be, a lot of no's for Seyi Tinubu. The plan is he will take over from, Sanwo-Olu, but he's been rejected. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. A word they say is enough for the wise. So we all cannot sit back and begin to pretend that we cannot see all of this going on. Every one of us have got a real sense of duty to ensure that we rise up to the occasion and we do everything humanly speaking possible to bring Nigerians out of the hands of those who wants to destroy the nation, so that as a people we can move forward. The days upon us are critical. It is so important that every single person must arise. Arising is a very, 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 very vital position where people can make concrete, decision and stand by what they say and what they mean, so that we can adequately move forward and get, to that very position where we want to get to. It is what it is. Yes, it is what it is. Don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. God bless. Bye for now.